The Schnabl plug system for the mounting of cable. A Euro plug and a cable tie is enough to quickly secure a bundle of cables. Quick and clever. The plug clamp. The double plug clamp. And with the plug-in dowel nail you can fasten the cable tray immediately. For mounting multiple cables to the ceiling, use the multi-cabling system. Available in single or double format. And the answer to all of your installation problems. Plenty for the electrician. A really clever way to lay cable. The Schnabl way. And now things can really get going. You can add Euro clips to every cable anchor. In the middle or on the side. Work involved, one drill hole, one anchor. The bundle carrier is also for multiple cables. Available in single and double formats. A closed ring is formed around the cable bundle and with one quick movement is opened again. And of course, you can also add Euro clips. The Schnabl anchor arm is mountable with a screw-on anchor plate, or you can use a plug-in dowel with a multi-cable arm. With anchor arms and multi-cable arms in various sizes, Schnabl provides a system for every requirement, on and under plaster.